Hi, welcome back to Books and Cooks. I'm so excited today because this is kind of a mashup of a program. It's our Books and Cooks program that is live, or kind of live, I should say, because we are immediately following up the filming of this with our Urban Sun Black Voices Book Club. And our Urban Sun Black Voices Book Club has been meeting over Zoom for the past 2 years, and we are actually meeting in person today. So I wanted to give all of our participants a chance to get together and enjoy a nice afternoon treat. And for that, and it's also our last Urban Sun Book Club of the year. So I thought it would be really fun to bring this cookbook out. It's the Brown Betty Cookbook. It's a modern vintage desserts cookbook. And it was actually written about 10 years ago in 2012 by Linda Horton Brown and Norrinda Brown Hayat. And the book is filled with recipes from their Philadelphia bakery, which actually is now closed. So I was really glad to be able to find this book and discover it for the first time, even though it's 10 years old. The book is available electronically on Libby, so I'm really glad that it's still accessible to all of us. The book is divided into 3 sections. There's a section on cakes, and what I really love about the cakes is that everything can be adjusted for cupcakes. There's a section for pies, cobblers, and puddings, and another section for cookies, brownies, and bars. And each chapter starts with a story of a woman in their family's lives. And it's an homage to their grandma Betty, who was an inspiration. But it also includes stories of all of the women in their family, even their ancestors they may have never known or never met, but had a huge influence on their family and the way the women in their lives carried through and raised families and were just such a influence to everyone in their community. And then each recipe itself has a mini story, a mini backstory of how the recipe was created. And it's exactly what the bakery was. It really brings those classic desserts, but gives them a contemporary flair. So for today's episode, I thought I'd make some of their best sellers, and they make a red velvet cupcake, or a red velvet cake, which I made into a cupcake, and it has a cream cheese frosting. And then I also made a sweet potato cake, and in this case it was a cupcake, which has a vanilla spiced buttercream. And I thought they were both very seasonal and something that we could just pick up and enjoy together. I'm just really happy to share it today with my friends at the Urban Sun Black Voices Book Club. Thank you for being here.